So, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all that can see my presentation. So, my presentation is all about digestive system, and it's include the parts of digestive system, function of digestive system, and the digestive process. So, before I start, I just want to introduce myself. So, I'm Rochelle Tique, first year college, and Bachelor of Science in Nursing at MB Galleco in Nueva Ecija. And I just want to thank Mrs. Clarissa Jugos to give knowledge to us para mas lalo pa naming maintindihan. And I will use Tagalog and English for you to understand in this lesson. I hope you will learn a lot. So should I start? So digestive system. So we will define the digestive system. The human digestive system consists of gastrointestinal tract plus the accessory organs of digestion. Digestion involves the breakdown of food into smaller and smaller components until they can be absorbed and assimilated into the body. Function of digestive system. The mouth, oral cavity. This allows the lips and cheeks to move food mixed with saliva around the mouth and begin mechanical digestion. The teeth contribute to mechanical digestion by grinding and tearing food. This process of chewing and mixing food with saliva is called mastication. So habang kumakain parang tayo, yung pagkain natin, habang nasa mouth pa lang natin, is nagkakaroon na tayo ng mechanical digestion because of the contribute of the teeth by grinding and tearing food. So, habang hinunguya natin yung pagkain, so kapag nagbi-mixing siya with the saliva, it's called mastication. The taste buds contribute to our enjoyment of food as well as taste. Other function of tongue including swallowing, deglutition, holding, and moving food around the oral cavity and speech. So yung taste buds daw natin, siya yung nagko-contribute ng enjoyment ng food natin. Siyempre yung tongue natin, yun yung panlasa natin kung masarap ba, sweet ba, maasim ba, or mapait. So, yung tongue, include din siya ng holding, moving food around the oral cavity, and also speech. Pharynx is swallowing, deglutition. Once ingested food has been adequate chewed and formed into a bolus, it is ready to be swallowed. Esophagus. The upper esophageal sphincter regulates the movement of substance into the esophagus, and the lower esophageal sphincter, also known as the cardiac sphincter, regulates the movement of substance from esophagus to the stomach. So yung esophageal sphincter daw, also known as the cardiac sphincter. So yung cardiac sphincter na yun, siya yung nagre-regulate para mag-move yung substance or yung food from the esophagus to the stomach. Stomach, temporary storage for food which passes from the esophagus to the stomach, where it is held for 2 hours or longer. Mixing and breakdown of food by contraction and relaxation of muscle layers in the stomach. Digestion of food. So, sa may stomach, dito, pansamantala, naiimbak yung our food, yung kinain natin, for 2 hours. And dito nagaganap yung mixing and breakdown of food by the construction of relaxation of muscle. The small intestine, production of mucus to protect the duodenum from the effects of acidic chyme. So mamaya, ipapaliwanag ko kung bakit nagpo-produce ng mucus yung small intestine. Secretion of intestinal juice and pancreatic juice from the pancreas increase the pH of chyme to facilitate the action of the enzyme. Bile enters the small intestine to emulsify fat so that it can be further broken by the action of lipase. Many enzymes are secreted to complete the chemical digestion of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Mechanical digestion is by peristalsis and segmentation and is slowed down to allow adequate mixing and maximum absorption. The small intestine is structurally designed with a large surface area for maximum absorption of the product of digestion. The small intestine is where the majority of nutrients, electrolytes, and water are absorbed. Large intestine absorbing water and electrolytes, producing and absorbing vitamins, and forming and propelling faces toward the rectum for elimination. The pancreas. During digestion, your pancreas makes pancreatic juice called enzyme. This enzyme breaks down sugar, fats, and starch. Your pancreas also helps your digestive system by making hormones. These are chemically messengers that travel through your blood. So, sa large intestine, doon siya nag-absorb ng water and electrolytes and producing and absorbing vitamins and forming propelling phases. Ito na yung stall natin. So, yung pancreas during ingestion, yung pancreas pa natin ay gumagawa siya ng pancreatic juice. Ito nga yung tinatawag natin na cold enzyme. Yung enzyme na to, which is acidic. Acidic siya, na kaya niya talagang tumunaw ng sugar, fats, and starch. Kaya nagpo-produce ng mucus para maprotektahan yung duodenum. Kasi yung pancreatic juice nga na to na enzyme is masyado siyang acidic. Para hindi matunaw yung ating duodenum. The liver and production of bile. Detoxification of drugs. The liver deals with medication, alcohol, ingested toxins. The toxins produced by the action of microbes, recycling of erythrocyte, the activation of many hormones including the sex hormones, tyrosine, insulin, glucagon, cortisol, and aldosterone. Production of floating proteins, the storage of food, minerals, and glycogen. Synthesis of vitamin A, heat production. So, yung liver natin, nagpo-production siya ng bile. Yung bile na yun yung tumutunaw sa fat natin. Yun. Pancreatic juice. The pancreatic produce alkaline pancreatic juice. The juice contains the enzyme, amylase, protease, and lipase. Pancreatic juice, digestion of fats, lipase, fatty acids, and glycerol. Digestion of starch, amylase, maltose. Digestion of proteins, trypsin, peptones, and polypeptides. So this is the hormones. Hormones and major activities. Gastrin stimulates gastrin acid secretion and proliferation of gastric epithelium. Cholecystokinin stimulates secretion of pancreatic enzyme and construction and emptying of the gallbladder. Secretin stimulates secretion of water and bicarbonate from the pancreas and the bile duct. Ghrelin appears to be a strong stimulant of appetite and feeding, also a potent stimulator of growth hormones and sexual. Mutilin apparently involved in stimulating housekeeping patterns of motility in the stomach and small intestine. gastric inhibitory peptide, inhibit gastric secretion of and motility and potentiate release of insulin from beta cells in the response to the elevated blood glucose concentration. So this is the hormones. Digestive process. So this is digestive process, which is the enumerate or sunod-sunod. Ingestion, taking food into the digestive system. Propulsion, moving the food along the length of the digestive system. So yung length na yun yung tinatawag na esophagus. Digestion, breaking down food that can be achieved mechanical as food is chewed or moved through the digestive system, or chemically by the action of enzyme mixed with the food as it moves through the digestive enzyme. Absorption, the products of digestion exit the digestive system and enters the blood or lymph capillaries for distribution to where are required. Elimination, the waste product of digestion are excreted from the body as feces. So ito, ingestion. So as you can see, ito ngayon, yan, ingestion of food. Ito. So kapag pinasok pala dito yung pagkain mo, kapag ninuya-nguya mo, and with mixing with saliva, it's called mastication. So, kapag medyo tapos ka nang umuya, lulunukin mo na siya and ano na siya dito sa pharynx and dadaan sa esophagus and mapupunta sa stomach, which is nag-i-storage ng food with 2 hours left or longer. And after nun, dito siya, which is yung pancreas na nag-make siya ng pancreatic juice para mas matunaw or become smaller. And dito na siya sa small intestine. So dito sa small intestine, nag-a-absorb na yung nutrients kasi nutrients and waters to blood vessels and lymph vessels is small intestine. So, dito kasi sa small intestine, meron dito tinatawag na villi, which is nag-a-absorb siya ng nutrients. After nun, tsaka pala madidistribute yung mga nutrients na galing sa pagkain na kinain natin. So, after nun, mapupunta na yung elimination, yung kailangan, yung di na kailangan ng ating katawan, yung parang pinag-anuhan na lang. So, mapupunta na siya dito sa large intestine. So, which is, eto na yung phases natin, which is stall. And, pupunta na siya dito sa anus natin, which is the poet. So, ilalabas na natin siya. Kasi hindi siya importante sa katawan natin. Kaya, kailangan natin ilabas yun. Kasi nakuha na natin yung nutrients sa food na kinain natin. Kumbaga, sapal na lang siya. Ganun. So, eto, isa-summarize natin. So, as you can see, so kapag kumain ka ng pagkain, so kapag andito na siya sa oral cavity mo, nagkakaroon na ng mechanical digestion. Dahil nga sa teeth. Because of the contribute of your teeth. And after nun, habang kumakain ka with mixing with your saliva, it's called mastication. So after mo kainin yun, lulununin mo na. After nun is bababa na siya sa yung mahaba, which is the esophagus. After nun, mapupunta na siya dito sa stomach. So nag-store siya within 2 hours or longer. So, after nun, which is, yung pancreas nga, nag-create nga siya ng pancreatic juice para mas lalong tumunaw. sa pagkain natin parang to become smaller and smaller hanggang madurog na talaga. Hanggang sa makuha na yung nutrients and for the same time, itapon yung mga hindi kailangan. So, dito, kapag pumunta yung mga hindi na kailangan, kapag eliminate na, andito siya sa large intestine and mapupunta siya dito sa may sacrum, for the same time, anus. So, dito kasi sa may small intestine natin, meron ditong villi, which is yun yung nag-a-absorb ng nutrients. Pagkatapos nun, dun pa lang nagdi-distribute yung nakuha nating nutrients or vitamins dun sa kinain natin. So, ito ang liver natin. Yung liver is nagpo-produce ng bile para tumunaw sa fats natin. And itong gallbladder and the pancreas to making pancreatic juice. It's called enzyme. So, common digestive problems include heartburn, GERD, IBD, and IBS symptoms may include bloating, diarrhea, gas, stomach pain, and stomach cramps. Treatment includes a combination of medication and lifestyle changes. The first sign of problems in the digestion tract often include one or more of the following symptoms: bleeding, bloating, constipation, diarrhea, heartburn, incontinence, nausea, and vomiting, pain in belly. So, yung vomiting, ito yung pagsusuka. So, syempre, para maiwasan natin yung mga ganito, kailangan yung mga bad lifestyle natin, kailangan natin baguhin. For the example, kunyari, hindi ka, kung nagpaplipas ka kumain. So, dahil doon, syempre, hanggang sa parang nasanay ka na hindi ka kumakain sa tamang oras, syempre, magkakaroon yun ng pain. Hanggang sa tumagal, hanggang sa magkasakit ka na. So, para maiwasan mo na magkasakit, syempre, baguhin mo na yung lifestyle mo. Dapat kumain ka na sa tamang oras. Para maging healthy na din yung digestive system mo. So, and thank you for watching. I hope na may natutunan kayo sa pinaliwanag ko about my presentation in the digestive system. Please like and share, and God bless. Thank you. Bye-bye.